So I'm getting inquiries from a lot of students who have graduated this year or are they working professionals, that whether they should go to summer intake in 2027 to Germany or whether they should go for winter intake in 2027 Germany. Alright, now all of them are seeking admissions in German public universities. Now to give you a slight idea so that you can actually take an informed decision for yourself, the summer intake in Germany opens in April onwards. Okay, the colleges will be starting in April 2027 for summer intake, and for that the deadlines will be closing by maybe December or maybe January 15th. Alright, now if you backtrack from here, we are currently in the month of August, right? And the documents that you need to apply for German public universities are your academic documents, your all 10th and 12th and academic mark sheets and degree certificate. You need an APS certificate, right? Now with the new rule for these students, most of the subjects, there is something which is called as a DMAT exam that has been introduced, right? Now for DMAT exam, you need to of course apply, which is 15th of September is the last date, and you need to appear for DMAT, and after that you have a chance to apply for APS. Now the APS will take 1 month to come, and for APS the documents that you need to apply would be all your academic documents, your passport, your DMAT scorecard as well. So your DMAT scorecard will be getting to you on 11th of October, right? Post which you will be able to apply to APS, and APS will take at least 1 month for you to come. So by mid of November you can expect an APS. Now when you apply to the German public university, you need all the academic documents, you need APS certificate, you need passport, you need IELTS scorecard, and some universities might even ask for GRE, GMAT depending on your subject that you're going for masters. Now technically if you start preparing for DMAT right now, you will have good chance to get into a good DMAT score, because the cutoff for DMAT is 50%. Out of 200 you need to score at least 100 to clear DMAT exam. Okay, second, GRE exam will take, or GMAT exam will take at least 2.5 months for you from here to prepare. So from August till 2.5 months, it will be what? It will be close to October end, right? And also the same amount of time, IELTS will take approximately 1 month for you to prepare. So if you see it can get quite overwhelming from here, but if you're able to pull it out, you should, right? Because the summer intake in Germany is less competitive as compared to winter intake. Okay, so if you're able to process all this test, able to apply timely, then think you should go for summer intake. But for someone who's finding this process quite overwhelming, especially for the working professionals who are working and planning to appear for summer intake, I think it can get more overwhelming for them. So I would rather suggest that wait for winter intake next year. For winter intake, the applications usually open around April onwards and they'll close around June, July. So you'll have enough time to prepare for DMAT, to